Lagi naman ganyan si Kelly pag mag-picture. Malag-picture tayo, ang ganda.
Picture.
Yes, we need picture. Come on. No?
Big feet.
Oh, is that a goose now? Oh my goodness, paano pag or swan yan? Paano pag tinanong ka niyan? Oh my goodness.
Kuya, nakikita ka niya.
Ang laki oh.
Nakita mo ba yung paa niya? Yeah, I do.
Don't put that out. It's not allowed. Are you gonna give something for him?
Which fast food restaurant chain?
Pwede kang diba, no? Swan. Sa cellphone may ganun.
Ano to? Dak ba yan?
Mahal swan nga yan. Swan. Swan like. Kuya, eto na, makaka-picture na tayo. Mami! Caleb.
Mahulog si Kelly. Wow! My one's so cute.
Mine is white. Okay, yours is red. Ours is white.
That's mine.
That's yours? Okay.
May bike ha, kuya?
Caleb, careful, careful.
Wow! Is it for mommy? Thank you, Caleb. So nice. Flower. I'll put it here. On my ears.
So, kung papipiliin ka, London o dito, dito na.
That's it.
Let's go. Sasabi ko nga kay mami ulit eh. That's a flower, yeah.
Wow. Ako lang binigyan niya ng flower.
Oh, yeah. Ikaw lang daw ang deserve ng flower. Let's go. So, ayan na, nadapa na siya.
Wag, baka umiyak siya.
Caleb, let's go. Kuya, let's go. Come on. Si mami mo may pagtingin pa eh. Kasi diyan kami sa ganyan naliligo dati ng bata kami. Ayun o yung ilog. Oh my goodness. Caleb, talon na. Kuya, talon na. Kuya, alam mo, di ba, nung bata pa si daddy, like your age, pupunta kami sa ilog. Tapos, magsuswim kami, mga naka-brief lang, kasi bawal kayo iligo sa ilog. Tapos, pagtas na maligo, mga pagpagin lang namin brief namin para hindi kayo may basa. Uwi na kami.
Eh, susutin mo ulit yung brief mo basa.
Yeah, suot namin yung brief namin basa. Sa sobrang layo ng lalakarin namin, tiyo na kami pagka-uwi namin.
Kuya, ang cute ang caravan nila, oh. Yan yung green.
Oh my goodness. Ayun yung daan, mahal oh.
Asan ba?
Ayun.
Ayun na nga. Parang malito din dinaanan natin.
It's okay, may tulay doon oh.
Meron ba? Ha? Yeah, oo.
Yes, kuya, swimming tayo bukas.
Swimming doon tayo maghapon sa park. Meron yung water activity. Gusto mo, kuya? Dapat daw marunong kang lumangoy eh.
You can swim.
Hindi, meron isang water activity. Yung parang malaking malaking play. Ano yun?
Sinusunod natin yung katawan ko sa
Ano tawag doon?
water park.
Oo, parang ganun siya. Pero naka-ano ka lang, naka-life vest ka lang.
Ay nga, hindi mo naman kailangan marunong mo ito, may life vest ka na.
Nako,
Lulutang ka pa rin.
lulubog ako. Kuya, ang ganda dyan. Tingin ka, tingin ka. Tapos tingin ka dito. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo yung view. Oh. Tingnan mo.
Kami din, kami din.
Ikaw din? Okay.
Kuya.
Pamangit.
Ang sama naman akong galing ng nanay mo. Pag sumama pa pala si mama mo, sira na talaga.
Mahal kasi ay!
Ay, mukhang sasalubungin niya ako. Hi. For friends.
Ayun na, Heron Way Triangle. Let's see nga. Kung daan nga, mahal.
Yung tayo dumaan ni Kuya.
Oo nga.
Heron wave triangle.
Heron.
Huh?
Heron.
The gods and goddesses.
Alam mo, ganun siya na malakas ang loob nilang lumalakad lang sila dyan. Kasi alam nila hindi sila kakatayin.
Mahal, kasi alam nila sa kanila to. The Philippines.
Where are we, kuya?
You're here. Layo pa natin. Nasa naman?
Seryoso?
Tech surveys, beauty sunbed salon.
So pag dumaan tayo dito, saan tayo abutin?
Doon pa rin. So pinang sinundan sa atin ni Kuya.
Ay, may ganito pala.
Oh.
So this is
Diyan tayo pupunta eh.
eatery.
Oo.
We're here.
Ay, layo naman. Okay, kuya.
So we go there and then all the way
Straight.
down here. And down there.
Okay. Uy, may ihawan.
Mm.
Yung,
We're
nakita
gonna
mo
go
ihawan?
barbecue tomorrow. Let's go.
Go, kuya, go.
Let's
Move,
go.
move.
Barbecue. We'll do barbecue there.
Why does he
Kuya, kasi nasaktan siya.
But why is he angry?
Eh, kuya, hindi pa niya alam na,
Let's go na. Baba na kayo. We can walk here.
hindi niya pa alam na nasaktan siya, tapos dapat pala, hindi siya galit.
Oo, di ba ganun na may mga bata? Pag nadapa, sila pa yung galit. Tapos kung sino yung kumuha, doon sila galit. kaya pag nadapa, minsan tumawa. Kunyari hindi mo siya nakita. Ganun kuya ang technique
Ikaw
doon.
kasi pala eh.
Kinuha siya ni daddy. So ganun siya kay daddy.
May ihawan, kuya.
Parang sabi ni Caleb, kasalanan mo kaya ako nadapa.
Kailangan na, mag-ihaw lang tayo ng sausage, okay na. No?
Let's buy pork.
Eh, saan tayo bibili ng pork? Ay, ang cute!
Just
Just sitting there, chilling. The ducks. There are our friends here.
Saan mo nilagay yung mga laing?
Freezer.
Nasa lupa yung laing kasi.
Di naman.
Parang tindahan niyo na?
Hindi.
The buildings. Yeah.
go all the way up there and then
Diretso daw, diretso.
Pero di mo, laki niya oh.
O, yung park, oh.
Oh, that's the park.
Ito yung mga caravan lang.
Caravan din yung sa atin. Mahal. Big caravan. Detached. Mahal,
Ay, ito
tindahan
pala
niya siya,
convenience
kuya.
store. We need to go here later.
Yeah.
Kuha tayo ng water tsaka tissue.
Baba na kayo, let's go. Where are we going? Mahal yung mga nagka-caravan na yan, yung mga ready yan, yung mga pagkain sila.
Oo naman.
Eh tayo kasi hindi tayo ready.
Hindi kasi meron sila sasakyan na paglalagyan. Totoo bang blue cheese yun? Hindi yun amag.
Ay, huwag na natin kainin, hindi naman para sa atin yan.
Para sa atin daw, tinanong ko.
Okay.
Feel free to use it, sabi niya. Oo nga eh, no? Sarap mag-bike dito. Hindi ako marunong mag-bike. Ay, oo nga. No.
Sakto siya.
Ba't ka hindi kumuha ng ganun si Mami TV? Ay, oo.
Dito yung may may water park.
Sure ka ba? Parang hindi pa dyan. Okay.
Hindi ka talaga marunong mag-boat. Paano na pala mag-drive? Kamawa na tayo.
Eh, meron namang navigation. Ikaw.
Paano ako magiging navigator? Katabi ako ni Caleb sa likod.
Ha? Sarap ka! Sa likod sila. Wow! Ay, sarap naman umupo doon. Kuya! Wow!
Caleb, ayos mo ha? Nakakutog ka. Diba? Ito yung park.
Wow! Nicey. Eh, nakakatakot naman yung ano.
Ang lahat ng bata, Caleb. Parang mga 5 years old na yung bata na yun.
Nakakatakot yung scooter.
Oo. Kahit ako parang hindi ko kaya nakascooter. Kasi buboy kaya yan.
Oo. Marunong kasi siya eh.
Mga bata.
Ay! Ang lalim!
Scooter na may bata, nadapa na siya.
Kakatakot!
Caleb, fly.
Eh!
Close your mouth.
Close your mouth! Your nose! Close your nose, Caleb. Hold your nose. Caleb.
Yeah, stinky.
Close naman siya nga.
Too much.
Ay!
Flies.
Hold your nose. Cover. Close your mouth.
Close your mouth.
Ma, sinusundan yata tayo. Ay! Ayan, kuya, oh. Ay. Saan tayo?
Too much. Yeah.
Parang may show yata.
Too much.
Tingnan natin what's on. Andito tayo kanina. Okay. Uy, may Curiosity Lab. Uy, may pop party. Bukas meron din, mahal. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Parang every night naman merong party.
Oo. At least Monday to Saturday.
going?
Ay, kuya, wala dyan.
Picture.
Come here.
Go, Caleb. Come, through here.
Caleb.
Go,
Kuya.
Sano. Come.
Kuya. Picture. Ganda. Yung nadapa. Ayan na naman siya. Yung nadapa.
Ganda.
Alicia, that's a great name. And how old are you, mate?
Kuya. Ay, may sound.
Do you know where you're from? What's your name? You're 9, but that's a great name.
Ah, siyempre.
No, but, tell you what, you guys are going to get the cards. Okay? That's a great stick. Give it to the little one. And they're going to get 1 minute. How many minutes? Sorry, I can't hear you. How many
Caleb,
minutes?
kuya.
They're going to get 1 minute.
Kuya, Caleb.
And hook the dogs. Everybody put their
Caleb.
hands in the air. And say, Susan. Play. Who let the dogs out?
Yeah, what can you say? What can you say? Doon sa babaeng nangaaway sa'yo. Caleb, what can you say? Caleb.
Kuya, masarap yung chicken ako. No?
Kaya nagdadayisip mo sa Pilipinas eh. Pero, kaya tayo tapos yung ilog, yung patubig. Ayan na. Oh. Diba, isa mami. Yeah. Tayo na lang tayo sa labas. Grabe naman sa ba? 9 p.m. It's popping up a balloon.
Yeah?
Move. No. I'm doing That's a dog.
That's a dog.
Fire. Extra ring. Caleb. Caleb. Fire.
Extra.
Extra ring. Fire extinguisher.
Fire extra. Fire extra.
Fire extinguisher. You spin me around. You make me
Ano tayo pelikula? Wala ka bang pelikula kung may suggest?
feels like I'm
No,
falling
no,
down.
no, like it.
Lost in your
no.
eyes.
I never watched anywhere.
Oh, okay. You like that one. I may never.
I will go to
The artillery. I may never fly over the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I may never march in the infantry, ride in the cavalry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly over the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I may never march in the infantry, ride in the cavalry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly over the enemy,
Oh, sorry,
but
guys.
I'm in the Lord's. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I may never march in the infantry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly over the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir.
Wait, this is Pope. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
It's supposed to be.
Oh, really?
I'm in the
Oh, 'cause you
Lord's
go to-
army.
You're about to cook it.
Never march in the cavalry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly over the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I'm in the Lord's army.
What's that? Wait. Say hi.
Hi. Mommy, mommy.
Can I hold it? Caleb. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Let's go. Rain, go. Don't eat the water. Rain. Is that a rain? Little Caleb wants to play. Rain, go away.
Swing. No. There's no checking fee.
Maganda yung bahay kasi kahit yung flooring nila maganda. Para sa flooring. Where did you get that car?
I got car George.
Caleb, where did you get that car?
Get cars. Rain, going. We got to play and what's the thing? Rain, go. Rain, and go away.
Swam.
Cover Little baby, what to say? Where go?
Oo mo naman.
Yes.
Laging ganun pagka lumalabas tayo.
I'm sorry.
Nilagay niya lahat doon.
Okay lang. At least safe sila dyan. Hindi niya mababasag.
Mainit talaga?
Yes. I'm going to double my shot.
Oh, ba't ikaw magdo-double ka?
Pagkatapos ko mag-swimming, lalakad ako basa.
Ay, hindi baka malamig mamaya. Mamayang hapon.
Why? Yeah, later afternoon, it's cold.
Uy,
Tapos,
isang tubig lang binili mo?
ang bigat maglakad. Pwede naman tayo bumili later. Yun lang, medyo malayo yung tindahan dito. So, you need to... Ano? Pero yes po.
Caleb, you need to wear your bluey. Come.
Later na yan, pag nasa pool na. Ito.
You have to wear it for swimming.
Paano yun? Pag natapos maligo, lalakad na lang ako basa.
Ice cream! Ice
Ice cream! See?
Mamaya mo nasuot dyan, napakainit niya, lalakad siya.
Oh, sige.
Empty!
It's empty ice cream.
Dapat ganito lang style yung bahay natin sa Pilipinas, yo.
I didn't have
Dapat ganito lang, no? Ganito kalaki. Kitchen, tapos hugasan ng plato, tapos lutuan. Ito na yung lutuan.
Mahal, so magluluto ka mamaya. Wala tayong bigas.
Kaya na ba parang Tagalog yung pinapanood mo?
Kuya, hi ka na.
Kaya no. So we're going out for swimming. Pero iwanan natin tong camera kasi hindi ko alam kung may locker dun sa pool. So iwanan na lang natin tong camera. Come here.
Hello.
Siya yung excited mag-swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said yeah. Kasi nag-aaral siya ng swimming. Magkano swimming mo every day?
30 pounds.
30 pounds. Hindi, 30 minutes lang. Parang hindi naman 30 pounds. Parang ano na yan, whole set. 4 weeks. Ganyan. May bayad. Mukha lang sobrang init sa labas. Makikita niyo, mukhang sobrang init sa labas. Pero, pag nasa labas ka na, malamig. Yeah. So, kung sa Pilipinas yan, pwede na tayo mag-swimming dyan sa labas, sa ilog. Pero, dahil nga nasa, hindi naman sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Tapos makikita nyo rin yung mga, yung patubig. Ayun, kita nyo din. Tapos, basta maganda, lalo sa gabi. Parang naglalakad ka lang sa kalsada sa Pilipinas. Walang ilaw. Oh, close na yan, kuya. Close ko na. Bakit?
I was gonna see.
May bintana ba? Close na yung mga bintana? Make sure it's closed, yeah? Kasi nga, lalabas kami. Baka mamaya hindi natin sure. Maraming nagbabakasyon. So, baka mamaya may mawala din. Buti na sa'yo. Bye!
Here's your apple.
Caleb!
Nasa iba ulit yung ano? Sunblock?
Nasa'yo.
Smile!
Kuya din yung master sa bahay natin. Sa Philippines. Tapos, ganyan, ganito yung ilog na ganyan kuya. So, dito kami sa kalsada na to. Tapos, ano, doon kami naliligo. Tapos, kung may mga dadaan sa sakyan, tatalo lang kami doon sa ilog. Kasi hindi kami nakita mga nakano kami. How bad.
Caleb, 1 second. Let's go.
Wait second.
Caleb, look at the video. Caleb, look at the video. Yay! Caleb. Ang kasama ko, walas. You cannot go with the water. Come on.
Fall down.
You're gonna fall down. Come on. Oh my goodness. This kid. This kid is getting crazy. Come on. Oh, you're falling down. You're falling down. going to the water. Oy, wag yung talon ako. Don't throw it, you might fall. Oh my goodness, ang ganda.
Throw it. Go throw it.
Guys, picture. Caleb, picture. Kuya, picture. Caleb, picture. Kuya. Caleb. Ah, okay. Caleb,
Okay, sis. Okay.
Caleb, let's go on a train. There's a train there.
Yes, yes, mommy's here. Go, 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 fast. Gosh. Watch the kids. Watch the kids.
Hindi nalaman ko ilan yung ticket kasi bumagsak yung yellow ball. Nag-stuck siya, so hindi pa sila count. Do you like vanilla or chocolate ice cream?
No.
Ang dami eh. Dito nga sa mga coins na yun, piso.
Train.
Yeah. What can you say about the train?
Train.
Be careful. The train is coming. Train stopping.
Train.
Oh, Caleb, here. Stand here. The train is coming. Look.
Train.
Yeah. Caleb, the train is coming. Look at that. Yay. Caleb, the train is coming. Can you see it? Choo choo. Oh, my hand. Choo choo. Caleb, the train is coming. Yay. Are we gonna ride the train? Are you gonna ride the train? Yay! The train is coming! Hello! Train is coming! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Wait! Let's wait for them! We're gonna wait for them. We're going out first, and then we're going... There! Over there. Where? Oh, there. Okay. You want here? Okay. Sit down with me. It's sad because mommy and kuya is not here. Hindi niya kayo nakikita.
Red diesel.
It's a mommy and kuya, yeah. Okay, just sit down. Just sit down.
Wait.
Let's wait. Let's wait for mommy and kuya.
Yeah.
Doon ka daw sa tabi niya eh. Umusad pa siya. Okay.
It's moving daw.
Okay, what is that? Kuya, kuya. Kuya.
Mahal. Yung katawan mo daw sa loob lang.
Hindi naman agad-agad. Caleb.
Ano siya, he's focusing.
Yeah, it's
He's
focusing.
focusing, he's moving. It's happening. Tama rin naman yung Kuya, tama rin naman yung
What's happening?
Yung iba. Yung iba.
happening, moving. Caleb!
What? Oh.
Oh, Caleb, oh, look at that.
Smile. Train is coming.
Smile. Yeah.
1, 2.
Ano yun, bakit nakalubog siya?
Alan.
Ay, sarado, mama. Baka saan yun, somewhere yun nag-pass, no?
Fine.
Go down and then run back.
Oh no. Mabawal yung mag- Hindi naman tayo ready. Hindi naman si Caleb na iyakin. No.
Baka talagang huminga siya sa gitna ng
I know, right? Oh, Caleb. Caleb, one more, please. One more, let's go. Caleb, one more. Yay, let's go. Oh my goodness. Maybe that is there, Caleb. Change what? What's that?
Patayin mo si Caleb. Baka masyado
Hi.
matuwa.
Gulat siya eh. Caleb, don't, not inside the house. Not inside the house. What's that? Let me see. Oh, not inside the house. You're gonna wet the house. You're gonna wet the house. Don't wet the house. Don't wet the house. Yeah, kiss, kiss. Mwah. Ay, don't wet daddy. Don't wet daddy. Don't wet daddy. It's inside the house. Anak, antok na yung mata mo. Sa totoo lang. After mong toyoin kanina, magwala na magwala.
What is not for you?
Water is not for me, yeah. Pagtapos mo magwala na magwala kanina. Ha? Oh! Don't, no! Come on. No.
Sa inside. Just
Can
outside.
Clea try?
No, no.
Okay, thank you.
No, 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 no.
Hindi naman si Caleb.
You have to be careful.
No, Caleb, not here, not here, not here.
Not in the room, Caleb, please. Not in the room, please. Only outside.
No.
Dito mo lagay, dito mo lagay.
What?
No, it's not. It's good.
Dapat huwag ka dun sa tapat ng ano. Huwag ka sa tapat dito sa labas.
No.
Yay!
Hindi siya masyadong magaling. Ay! Ba't ka ganun siya?
Caleb talaga.
Tama na ako.
Caleb, you're wasting it. Caleb, stop it na. Stop it. All done. No more.
Eh, gusto pa niya. Hayaan. Hindi, sige na. Hayaan mo
Let's
na.
just fill
Pagtapos
up
na.
some more later, right?
Tago ko na yun.
Caleb, look at this.
It's for kuya. It's for kuya. Ay! Give it to kuya.
What?
Ano nangyari dun sa ano? Sa...
Why?
Ay!
Kuya, ano nangyari dun sa ano? Sa... Uy! Binasa mo na siya. Bawal kayong pumasok ha.
No. It's calling. It's calling.
Caleb, here. Here.
No more. Kuya, pulutin mo yung later. Wait lang.
Caleb. Look, look, look. Look at this. Okay. There's no more.
Mahal. Alam mo ang tao ka. Yung hawak ka.
Mahal, pwede na yung food natin.
Oh, okay na yan. Kasi para sa 200 pounds last night, okay na ako dyan. Oh, sit down here. Sit down there. Sit down there, come on. Ay. Dito kuya. Mami.
And of Lager
Lager.
has a red star as a logo.
That's a blue.
Budweiser.
No. It's as hard as to pronounce as that.
Budweiser.
Because Budweiser is like Budweiser, right?
Yeah. So what is it?
Heineken.
Oh, Heineken.
No, no.
Pinuntahan natin swimmingan.
Saan?
Ay, hindi. Alin, naalala mo yung isang swimmingan?
Careful, it might fall. Ha? Your gun might fall.
Yung sumakay kayo ng slide. Alin mas maganda? Yun o yung isa?
Nasa may slide?
Yung may karaoke yung slide.
Ah, yun, maganda yun.
Maganda yun. Kaso medyo malayo yun.
Nakakar naman eh.
Life has been an experience in the sense that it made me found myself slowly at the old Clayton back in the early millennium. I have become that person as I'm back, best believe it. I'm long overdue to meet the love of my life.
Pengen.
This is Josh, a former
Ano nga po ang
here for
Thank you.
There's a lot more to me than
How are you?
to me.
Nice to meet you. What's your name? Josh.
I used to compete for Team GB when I was young.
Come with me.
Thank you very much. Obviously, you can get I won gold in 2013. It's like one of the best experiences of my life. But I made loads of stuff everything from there.
What are you talking about?
It's making harder to meet girls. And I think maybe I was a bit more to the school. The relationship in the past and stuff like that.